In the dynamic sphere of higher education marketing, establishing a robust brand is only part of the journey. Measuring the impact of your branding efforts is crucial to understand what resonates with your audience and where there's room for improvement. Here's how to track and refine your branding strategy. Implement tools and metrics for tracking branding effectiveness. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor how potential students interact with your website. Pay attention to metrics like page views, time spent on site, and the conversion rates of specific calls to action. You should also track brand mentions and direct search volume, the number of searches that include your institution's brand name directly. This data can show you what content is most engaging and which areas might need tweaking. Paid digital advertising data. Brand lift will be reflected in improved paid advertising click-through rates and conversion rates at each stage of the enrollment funnel. Investing in your institution's brand will boost web traffic to leads. Leads to application initiations. Application initiations to submitted applications. Accepted student rate. Accepted to enrolled student ratios. Vital provides paid ads management services for higher education institutions. Are you struggling with marketing in the education sector? Our customized marketing course addresses these challenges head-on with real-life examples to illustrate each solution. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Social media engagement. Track likes, shares, comments, and follows on your social media platforms. High engagement rates are a good indicator that your content is resonating with your audience. Tools like Sprout Social or Hootsuite can help consolidate and analyze your social media metrics. Email open and click-through rates. When you send out newsletters or promotional emails, tracking how many people open and engage with these emails can provide insights into how compelling and relevant your messaging is. Survey feedback. Surveys and feedback forms can be invaluable. Ask your current students, alumni, and prospective students for their honest opinions about your brand messaging and what they find most valuable. Continuous improvement through feedback loops and market research. Act on feedback. Collecting data and feedback is only useful if you act on it. Use the insights you gather to make informed adjustments to your branding and marketing strategies. Stay informed about market trends. Higher education is always evolving, and so are student expectations. Keep an eye on trends and changes in the market through continuous research. This can help you anticipate shifts in what prospective students value and proactively refine your brand accordingly. A/B testing. Frequently test different messages, visuals, and strategies to see what works best. Can be applied to nearly every aspect of your marketing, from email campaigns to web page layouts. This method allows for data-driven decisions that can systematically improve your brand's appeal and effectiveness. Set and review key performance indicators. Identify specific, measurable goals related to your branding and marketing efforts. These might include increasing application rates, growing your social media followers, enhancing website traffic, or improving your Net Promoter Score. Regularly review these key performance indicators to assess whether your strategies are moving you in the right direction and to identify areas for improvement. Measuring the impact of your branding is an ongoing process. It requires a blend of the right tools, a commitment to listening to your audience, and flexibility to adapt your strategies based on what the data tells you. By taking a data-driven approach to your branding efforts, you can ensure that your institution not only stands out but deeply connects with prospective students in a meaningful way, ultimately driving enrollment and fostering a strong, vibrant community. Future-proofing your higher education brand. In the fast-paced world of higher education marketing, staying relevant and top of mind for prospective students requires not just adaptability, but also a forward-thinking approach. Here's how you can ensure your institution's brand remains resilient and appealing, even as the landscape continues to evolve. Adapting to changing perceptions and expectations. Understanding Generation Z and beyond. Keep abreast of the values, communication preferences, and educational expectations of emerging generations. With each new class of students, these dynamics shift, often requiring updates to messaging and marketing channels to remain effective and relatable. Embracing technological advancements. Technology continues to revolutionize how students learn and engage with institutions. Virtual reality tours and interactive online experiences are becoming the norm. Incorporating these technologies into your branding and recruitment strategies can demonstrate your institution's commitment to innovation and excellence. Fostering a culture of inclusivity. As societal views on diversity, equity, and inclusion evolve, it's critical for institutions to reflect these values in their branding. Showcasing your commitment to creating an inclusive and supportive community can resonate deeply with prospective students looking for a welcoming educational environment. By the way, for a more comprehensive understanding, check out our customized marketing course for the education sector, where we discuss these strategies in depth, backed by real-life examples. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment. Staying ahead of trends and innovations in digital marketing. Investing in continuous learning. The digital marketing landscape is ever-changing, with new platforms, algorithms, and user behaviors emerging regularly. Stay informed about these changes through ongoing education and by participating in higher education marketing networks or forums. Experimenting with new platforms and formats. Don't be afraid to try new things. Whether it's a new social media platform popular with younger audiences or an innovative content format like augmented reality experiences, experimenting can help you discover what captures the attention of prospective students. Leveraging data for decision-making. As the amount of available data grows, so does the importance of analytics in shaping marketing strategies. Use data to predict trends, understand student needs, and tailor your offerings. This proactive approach can keep your institution ahead of the curve. Building long-term relationships. Engaging alumni and current students. Strengthening connections with your alumni and current students can turn them into brand ambassadors. Their positive experiences and success stories are powerful testimonials to the lasting value of your institution. Creating lifelong learning opportunities. As the concept of education shifts towards lifelong learning, offering continued education opportunities can keep your institution relevant to individuals at all stages of their careers. This approach can help cultivate a lasting relationship with your audience. Cultivating a community around your brand. Beyond academic offerings, create a sense of community and belonging around your brand. Facilitating forums, social groups, and networking opportunities can ensure that your institution remains a pivotal part of students' lives long after graduation. Future-proofing your brand in higher education isn't just about staying current. It's about leading the charge towards a brighter, more inclusive, and innovative future. By embracing change, anticipating trends, and committing to continuous improvement, your institution can maintain its appeal and relevance, ensuring it remains a preferred choice for prospective students for years to come. The path forward for higher education branding. As we've explored the multifaceted landscape of higher education branding in 2024, it's clear that the challenges ahead are matched by immense opportunities. The evolving expectations of prospective students, coupled with rapid technological advancements and shifting societal values, demand a proactive and dynamic approach to branding. Higher education institutions have the potential to deeply resonate with their audiences, not just as places of learning, but as communities that empower individuals to achieve their dreams and make meaningful contributions to the world. The key to success lies in understanding your diverse audience, crafting a compelling and authentic brand narrative, and continuously validating the transformative value of the education you provide. Transparently showcasing outcomes, amplifying the voices of your community, leveraging data-driven insights, and measuring the impact of your efforts are all critical components of a robust branding strategy. Yet perhaps the most crucial takeaway is the importance of adaptability and forward thinking. The landscape of higher education is in constant flux, with new challenges and opportunities on the horizon. Institutions that stay ahead of trends, embrace innovation, and maintain a laser focus on the needs and aspirations of their students will not only thrive, but lead the way in redefining the value of higher education. We invite you to explore our customized marketing course for the education sector, where we take a deep dive into these strategies with real life examples. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment.